Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to set daily time limit on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. You can set an Instagram time restriction if you want to keep track of how much time you spend there and reduce it. This will limit how long you may use Instagram each day, allowing you to focus on other activities and cut down on screen time. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on your activity. On your activity page, tap on time spent. Tap on Set Daily Time Limit. Tap on the time limit you want to set. Tap on Done. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to set daily time limit on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.